Imagine running a motorcycle empire on a website like it's from 2008. That was the reality for Bikebiz, until they hit the throttle with a complete digital overhaul. Let's dive into how they turned their online shop into a speed machine. Bikebiz is an Australian legend in the motorcycle world, but their website, outdated, sluggish, barely mobile friendly. They needed more than a patch up. They needed a full-blown digital transformation. Here, they meet Skynix. The team rebuilt everything using Magento 2, integrated React and Ember.js for a sleek UI, and hosted it all on a Google Cloud with Cloudflare protection. And yes, they automated the whole deployment with CI/CD pipelines. It is not just fast, it is smart. Premium third-party modules. Live time search with SLI. Live chat via OAuth. Checkout protected with e-reCAPTCHA. And deep integrated with another Magento store for spare parts. Skynix even synced with Order Hive for accounting. 2 years support, 6 developers, 1 powerful outcome. Bikebiz now runs smoother than ever with a killer UI. Automated systems, a clear ROI, from simple motorcycle store to e-commerce empire. Digital matters. Want more stories like this? Smash that subscribe button, give us a like, and let us know in comment what project should we break down next. Or maybe you could better.